Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with another share. I've received some mail, and this mail comes from New York. It comes from Mariann. Thank you, girl. Milltown, New Jersey. My mom is from Long Island. Is that in New Jersey? Long Island, New Jersey, New York. Oh, look at, oh my gosh. Oh, look at what she shared with me. Oh my gosh, how cute is this one? It says, hello, sweet Maka. Congratulations. Crafty hugs. Oh yeah, I won one of her giveaways. Oh, this is a cute envelope. That's one. Awesome. Look at. Ah, gorgeous. Oh, look at this one. So they're all like cards. Yeah? Fold it cards. Flip it cards. Fold it. Look at how pretty this is. All of the intricate design. I did watch her video, but I forgot if she said this was a die or if she used her machine. If she had a machine. Thank you so much, Mariann. I appreciate it. Mariann and I are new friends on YouTube. We just were in a collab together last month. So hopefully we'll be in more collabs together. How pretty. I love it. Thank you so much, Mariann. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. Please consider subscribing, like, and share the video. You can find more videos like these here. And until my next video, shakas!